Good morning, guys. It's Mr. Kelly with our language arts video lesson for Wednesday, May 27th. So today, please read chapters 17 and 18 of Sleeping Freshmen Never Lie. You can find the YouTube links to listen to the chapters in today's assignment on Google Classroom. So for today and tomorrow, we will have a choice board. You will have to select 2 assignments, and they will be due Thursday at 8 o'clock. So the choice board will be in a slideshow on Google Classroom. There will be a document attached to this assignment on Google Classroom where you must add links to your work before you click Turn In. So guys, basically it's going to be like any other assignment we've been doing. Everyone's going to get an assignment page. There's just going to be directions on it, and you're just going to have to post your links to each work that you complete. So it can either be like a Google Slide link or a link to a Google document. You just have to make sure you paste those to your document and then turn in. All right, so let's go over the choice board now. Okay, as you can see, we have 4 orange choices and 4 pink or purple choices, whatever color you think that is. It just looks like purple to me. All right, now let's go over the directions. Now we kind of just went over these, chapters 17 and 18. Please read those before you begin. You have the audio links here. The audio links are also on the assignment on Google Classroom. Again, this is due by Thursday at 8 o'clock that night. And then make sure you paste those links on the assignment document on Google Classroom, and then make sure you turn in as well. Okay, so for choice 1, write a fictional letter to your teacher and tell them about the novel you read. Make sure you include information on the main characters, some problems that have occurred in the story thus far, the solutions to the problems, and if you were enjoying the book so far. So again, you can add this on a slide or on a Google document. Just make sure I get the link in the document that's with our assignment. All right, choice 2. If you could interview the author, which 3 questions would you ask? So again, just include the 3 questions on a doc or a separate slide and make sure I get the link. Choice 3. In this choice, you will utilize Flipgrid, and we have a link here for Flipgrid. Log in with your school Google account and record your answer. All right, so the question you have to answer. Make a prediction about what you think will happen next in the story and support your prediction with textual evidence. Why do you think this will happen? So make sure you read chapters 17 and 18. Make your prediction, make sure you have text evidence, and explain why you think your prediction will happen. Choice 4. What is one choice a character made in this text that you would change? How would this different choice alter the path of the story? So this is an interesting one. This is one of my favorite ones. So again, explain your work in 4 to 6 sentences, and make sure you share it on a slide or on another document. Just make sure I have the link in our document that's with this assignment, guys. Okay, so now we're up to choice 5. Those first 4 choices were the orange choices. So you have to pick 1 orange question to answer, and now you have to pick 1 purple question to answer. So here's the first purple question. Make connections across stories. Compare and contrast this story to another one you have read either in class or on your own. So, 5 stuff from this novel might be comparable with some stories we read from Family Matters. So if you still have a copy of Family Matters, you might want to flip through it, see if you can find a story that's comparable to something that's happening in Sleeping Freshmen Never Lie. Or if you can think of another story that's comparable to Sleeping Freshmen Never Lie, you can use that as well. All right, choice 6. Brainstorm a list of 3 themes in the story so far. Support each theme with a quotation from the text. Remember, the theme in a story is an underlying message or the big idea or the item that the author wants you to take away once you're done reading the story. So, in other words, what critical belief about life is the author trying to convey in writing of a novel? So again, make sure you write your answer on a separate slide or document. Choice 7, choose 1 character. Imagine they are packing a suitcase for a trip. What is in the suitcase? What is important for them on their trip? Create a visual representation of what is in their suitcase on a separate slide or document, and write a caption for each image to explain why it was chosen. Choice 8, illustrate an important plot event. Explain why this event is important in 4 to 6 complete sentences, and create a visual representation of this plot event on a separate slide. All right, guys, so again, this is due at 8 o'clock on Thursday night. Yep, and that's the last slide of that. So let's just bounce back here. So again, in closing, this assignment is not due until 8 o'clock on Thursday night. Please email or comment if you have any questions. So for today, Wednesday, our regular office hours are from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And we will have our live class from 12:30 to 1 o'clock. Make sure you check Google Classroom for meeting information. All right, guys, so that is it for this video lesson. Please reach out to me if you have any questions about what we're doing. Take care, guys. I'll talk to you soon.